Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. What is an equation? A combination of variables and constants separated by is equal to symbol. Equation is a combination of variables and constant separated by is equal to symbol. Let me give you some examples for an equation. It can be x is equal to minus 3 or a minus b is equal to 5. It can be even 5x squared minus 2x is equal to 8. All these are examples for an equation. Let us see what is a linear equation. If an equation is of degree 1, it is called a linear equation. Equation of degree 1 is called a linear equation. So, let us see some examples for a linear equation. X plus y is equal to 1. 5p minus 3q is equal to 2. These are some of the examples of a linear equation. Why we call them as linear equation? You can see the variable x power is 1, y's power is also 1. So, the degree of this equation is 1. Similarly, here p's power is 1, q's power is 1. So, here again the degree of the equation is 1. So, you call them as linear equation. In linear equation, you have two types. One is linear equation in one variable and another one is linear equation in two variables. What is linear equation in one variable? Let us see some example. A is equal to 5. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Why it is a linear equation? Because the degree of the equation is 1 and here I have used only one variable, here I used only variable a, here I used only variable x. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. So, let us see some example for a linear equation in two variables. Here again the degree should be 1, but you should use two variables. So, it can be r plus 2s is equal to 4. Here we are using two variables r and s and the variable power is 1. So, it is a linear equation in two variables. It can be even 3w minus 4v is equal to 7. So, these are some of the examples for linear equation in two variables. Now, let us see the pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So, here we are going to learn the new chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Let me give you the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, all these are constants and the variable used here is x and y. So, this is the general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. We can solve these pair of linear equation in two variables by two ways. There are two ways to solve these pair of linear equations in two variables. One is by graphically. Graphically we can solve these pair of linear equation in two variables, or else we can even solve it algebraically. So the two ways of solving pair of linear equation in two variables is, one is graphically and the other one is algebraically. Let me introduce the three methods by which you can solve the pair of linear equations algebraically. The three methods are substitution method, next is elimination method, and another one is cross multiplication method. Now, before solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by any one of these method, first you should know the condition for solving the equations by algebraic method. The pair of linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If and only if a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2, we cannot solve the pair of linear equations. That is, we cannot find the value of the variables x and y without this condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. That is, the ratio of coefficients of x should not be equal to ratio of coefficients of y. With this condition, you are going to learn how to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method.